Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2019 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.